How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. In order to do that, head over and click on your personal profile right here, which is the button that you can see right above here. Then from there, click on these three dots right here. From in there, you can see this lock profile as well as a lot more settings. So if you want to turn on your professional mode, click on this turn on professional mode option right here, which is just around the bottom. Click on turn on right here. Once you have done that, this will load. And in here, you can choose your default audience right now when you're on your professional mode. So it can be public, can be friends, or custom. Click on next right here, and then click on confirm. And as you can see, the default audience has been updated on your professional mode, so click on done. And then as you can see, just head over and retry, and you should be able to see right here that you will now have your professional dashboard as you can see right now. So this is actually a new update now that you can choose your followers as well as your audience. This is a new update on professional mode. So that's how you turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hope you help.